Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to clear chat in Instagram. Friends, instead of deleting your chat one by one, if you want to delete all your Instagram chats, then you simply need to open Instagram app. Now here in your Instagram app, you need to press on the messenger icon. Now to select all the chats, you simply need to press on the three lines. Now select the chats, and after selecting all the chats, press on the delete button. So friends, like this you can very easily clear chat in Instagram. Friends, if you are not finding this option, then your Instagram account may be a private account. So to get this option, you need to convert your account from private to professional. You can very easily transfer your account from private to professional by watching a video link in description. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.